Guys, so in the meantime, I get the chicken turn up. Check what I go on. Yeah. Look at that, can you smell it? See what I go on in the fridge. Yeah, so I got a piece of chicken here, so I get it cut up and seasoned up. Stay tuned for that. Get it out of the pocket now. Guys, I should do this from morning. Yeah, the oregano leaf to cut the rawness. Yeah, man. So catch me when I cut up this and season it up. Some natural season. Stay tuned for that. It's fully cut up now and wash and clean up. Fresh. Got a bucket of brownies here. We got some Maggi here, so. Alright, look up on it right there, so. And season to taste. Brownie on it. Just a little, just alright. That good enough. Over this, I have a fire stick them ready. Or do a cooking now. These are some of the seeds I went to the market and get. So we have some carrot over here, so we have garlics, we have a bungle of thyme, we get some pepper, we do have a nice fish. Look at that. We get a one coconut seed we in market. So I'm gonna get some of the seeds and wash and clean up this water right here. Yeah, we are blend it out. So after we blend out the season, we have to chew it on the chicken. Let it marinate. Meantime, I grate the coconut. I blend it out. I don't know which one I'm going to do first. See, now the fire over this is light. So rice and peas and brown sauce chicken. Stay tuned for that. See season now cut up. I get the season in a blender. Yes guys, look at that. Okay, I have to get a cup of water. Rich. Keep back this little bit for next time. As me get the carrot and Irish cut up on it now. Beautiful. In the meantime, I light the fire. The fire light up. Yes guys, fire blaze. Some want that blaze down to cool because we don't want such a high fire. Yeah guys, time to break the coconut. I get this grate up now and blend up, ready for put on the fire. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, fire blaze over there, so I go and cut up the coconut. Yeah, and get it blend out. I can extract the milk out of it. Yeah, that is it. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, man, stay on my people. Coconut I blend out now. Alright, after we get that blend out, yeah, get the frying pot on the fire now. Yeah guys, time to get some chicken in our pot. Yeah. Guys, the pot well hot. But red at me people, look that. This is later for it. Okay guys, so in the meantime, I get the chicken turn up. Check what I go on. Yeah. Got that guys. Don't show chicken coming up. So yeah, hear that? A little turn now. Get that. Fire blazing people. Hear that? Yeah man. Yeah, stay one place, you know. after that go and steam down. Then we have the carrot right here, so yeah, so we're going to throw it in it and let it simmer down, and then we'll add some water and make it cook down. Yeah, and then we're gonna have that with some rice and peas and fried plantain. It's gonna be yummy delicious. Subscribe to the channel for your place. Yeah, we'll add all of this one. Look at that, can you smell it? Smells so yummy delicious. Yeah, put it over here so that blaze. Cover up that, make it go and simmer. Yeah, that is it. Look at that. That no need, guys. Right here. Let that go and simmer a little. Yeah man, the brown stew chicken and simmer down, as you can see. Place I get dark now, people. You see what I go on now, pot. Fully active. You know the thing go. Yeah man, garden and stuff, look at that. Yes. Look at check what I go on in. Stir it up, stir it up. Yeah. Brown stew chicken and simmer down. People don't even know light, you know, my people. Darkness will come down. You don't know. Food of you eat. Yeah. Fully active yard man thing. I go and simmer down some more in the meantime. Yeah, rice inside I go and do the thing, you know. Yeah man, rice and peas. Nice on there. Meantime, out here so I go and do the thing. Yeah. See, yeah. Yeah, my people, this is a little preview, you know, a pumpkin farm. I go and stay tuned for that.